welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. I did one last year and by the title you guys would probably guess that I am going to be unboxing the entire Essence advent calendar. This is the only advent calendar that I have this year, and I don't know about you guys, but I love the idea of an advent calendar, but if I have a gift and I know that I can open it right now, I will open the entire thing. So if someone gives me a birthday gift and they say, you can only open it on your birthday, I'm like, I don't think so. I want to open it straight away. I am so nosy. I just want to know everything. So I'm going to open the entire Essence advent calendar with you today. If you haven't seen my one from last year, go check it out. I haven't looked at it in like forever, but I posted it a year ago. So yeah, let's unbox the Essence advent calendar. Okay, so I'm actually not sure as to how this year's advent calendar works. Last year you had a number of doors to open. This year you have a number of boxes. Okay, so I saw number one. I went ahead and pre-opened all of the doors. So number one, so it comes like this and then it pops out. So number one, we have a Essence nail polish. Number two, I saw it over here. You see how it kind of pops out. I don't know how they work that out, but we'll go with it. Okay, so this is gift stickers. Ooh, yay. I'll show you a close-up. Ooh, these are quite cute. Those are cute. Ooh, I've got one stuck on my finger. Oh, that is so cute. Number three. Ooh, this is a long one. We have a little nail file. Number four, where are you? Okay. Here we have number four. Oh, you guys, this is an exercise today. Ooh, we've got hair ties. I love these Heerden accessory bands. Love those. What number was that? Number four? Okay. Number five, I don't know if you guys can see. Number five is right over there. Ooh, we've got a Super Stay, Super Last, 24-hour eyebrow pomade and pencil. Ooh, I'm definitely going to give this one a go. This one is my favorite so far, besides the hair ties. Whoops. Number six. Number six. Go. Number six. Ooh, we have a cheek and contouring brush. I was hoping for some brushes on this one. Number seven. Lucky number seven. Ooh, it's popping out right over here. I love these boxes, you guys. Another nail polish. We have a purpley nail polish. Whoops, what just fell out? Number 12. Where did you come from, number 12? Whoa. Number 12 was on the naughty list, and so was number 14. Guys, you are not getting Christmas presents this year. Where was I? Number 8. Where's number 8? You guys. Oh, yeah. Number 8. Do you think my family will notice if I gift their gifts in like numbered boxes? Hand cream. Ooh, shea butter scented. I'm excited. Ooh, that smells really good. You guys, it is no joke. It is summer in South Africa and I want it to be all festive and cute and sparkly. But it's boiling hot, like literally. Here's number 9. Yeah. There we go. This is a cute box. We've got a Fame in a bottle. What is this? It's like, look, those loose glitters. I've got a couple of these. I think these will come quite handy for like Christmas tutorials. Number 10. This is Essence finger and bracelet tattoos. Oh, cool. I wonder how long these last. Like gold tattoos. I'm excited for that. It's like a festival vibe. These doors are so annoying. Number 11. And lucky number 11 is Warm Wishes mini greeting cards. You guys, these are going to come in so much handy when I do my Christmas wrapping. What number was that? Where's number 12? Ooh, that's the one that was naughty and fell out earlier. Oh, my favorite smoothie glass. I love, love, love the mango one. This one is in Sweet Peach. Ooh, you guys have to smell this. It's amazing. 13. Here we go. Ooh, this one is pretty. It's number 13. These boxes feel so light, you guys. This is another nail. I think this was in last year's one as well. It's kind of like nail cutout thingies. Number 14. 19. I will catch you later. I'll catch you later. Number 14 is, I like these colors. Another nail polish. This is actually a really nice one. This one is in the shade Miss Hot Light. Number 15. This blue one right over here. Brush sleeves. I didn't even know you could buy these. How cool. So they kind of keep your brushes nice and straight for traveling. I love that. Okay, Essence. Okay. 16. Little Miss Gold and Purple. Ooh. This was also in last year's advent calendar. A white gel pencil. And all of these products within the advent calendar has like limited edition packaging, so that's really cool. Which number was that? I'm so bad. Number 17. There it is. You guys. This is so hard to film. 20 is right on number 19's box. Like literally. What is this? Kiss the Penguin lipstick. Oh, it is black. Oh, it turns from grey to pink. You guys. Oh my word. It literally does. So it's one of those like glosses or lipsticks that kind of work with your acidity levels. That's so cool, Mr. 17. Oh my word. Come on. Number 18. Another gold and black. This one feels heavy. Another nail polish. Here we go. We have another red. I think I want to do my nails red next. I don't know. I'm feeling that little Christmas vibe. Let me see what number dropped. You see, it's the one I needed next. Number 19. The one that keeps falling out, I think. I can't remember. But it fell out earlier. Ooh. Super cool volumizing mascara. One eye-opening effect. That is cool. Number 20 also fell out earlier. Ooh, it's on my lap. Okay, this one is also very light. What is this? Ooh, we've got more nail stickers. That is cute. Black nail stickers. I don't know if I will ever try black nail stickers. We shall see. 21. There she is. Right over there. A lipstick. Ooh, it's got little bunnies on it. I love the smell. This one is in the shade Eternal Beauty. These boxes are awfully big for these products. Number 22. Ooh, what is this? It's a little makeup bag. It just says happy thoughts inside. I really like this. I love the holographic design on it. That is so cute. We have 23, might be this little one. Yep, there we go. nail polish. This is beautiful. This is shade Miss Universe. Miss Universe, that is so pretty. It's very similar to the dress that Miss Universe wore last year. So I guess that is fitting. And then the last one, number 24. Oops. Number 24 is, ooh, dun dun dun, the Glow to Go palette. So that is everything. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Thumbs it up if you did. We had a little bit of a technical difficulty with this box flying everywhere and its contents, but we shall proceed in the Christmas unboxing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen my one from last year, check it down below. I'm gonna do one every single year until I'm a little old granny unboxing her advent calendar. Let me know in the comments down below if you got the advent calendar. I'm so sorry if I spoiled it for you, but you should have known. Like, you should have known that you clicked on this video, and you should have known what you let yourself in to watch. So I do apologize if I spoiled the surprise, but I wanted to share it with you guys so that you can see if it's worth a buy. And I really think it's fun to open a little gift every single day, although I opened all of them at once. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and then I shall see you in my next Essence video. Bye!